Hey everyone, so today is going to be a theoretical video that will explain an idea that I feel will be helpful in helping us simplify equations for Desmos project. Um, so before I go any further, the image that you saw in last video's thumbnail is is what the finished cube looks like. Um, So I didn't actually finish the cube last video, as I want to show you what it looks like when you finish it. So let's get started with what multivariable functions are. So next video, what I'm planning to do is actually showing you how to use it to simplify your graph, so it doesn't look LMS, because that's what it looks like right now. That's what all the equations look like. So multivariable functions. So what they are is they are functions that take in several inputs. So right now this is just as this is a single variable function. So you can see it takes in one input and it has one output. Well, it doesn't necessarily have to have an output, but it only concerns one variable here. So we can say, what is 2 squared? And you see it's 4. 6 squared should be 36. So we can actually do this in Desmos. So we have like x is equal to x squared. That's a single variable function. You can actually see it. You have one variable depending on another variable here. Multivariable functions. What we need to do now is we need to add in several variables. Well, not several, but it's a function with several variables, so more than one. So the minute you add another variable, it's now a multivariable function. So it can make this like x plus y. We can't. Okay, so now we give it two parameters. You can see it adds in 2 and 3 together to make 5. Want to do on here. So what you notice now is you don't see the graph anymore because you can't render multivariable functions when you only get access to these two variables here. Also, if you want to add in like more functions here, now this is three inputs and one output. So I want to say what is 1, 2, 3, for example, right? It will add up all three numbers and give you 6. So that is your introduction to multivariable functions. And this, by the way, is just like a quick JavaScript program that it's like a quick demo. So don't worry if this doesn't make any sense, but do worry if this didn't make any sense. All right, so if that didn't make any sense, do leave a comment, let me know. Otherwise, great. I'll see you in the next video.